united.
Especially from our family from US all the way down to Philippines, just to be with us to celebrate our grand reunion, our ancestors. And also reminiscing our roots where we belong, that we have been brought up by love and respect to our great-great-grandfather, Don Jorge Vizcarra, Lola Tasing, Lola Sabel. That's why we were brought up. That is our reason. We are in one family. I'm glad, and not only us, we is happy and glad. And I'm surely sure that our family in heaven, namely Lolo Jorge, Lola Tasing, Lola Sabel, Uncle Honey, Uncle Angelino, and what is this? Auntie Sally, Uncle Ruben, Uncle Junior, and Rosalina. What is this? Auntie Nana, Uncle Camilo, Uncle Tony, and the youngest daughter is Anthony. They're all children of Don Jorge Vizcarra. So, but here we're all complete and regular time. But all we have the same blood running in our veins. We're all in one. So we're very happy, Kevin, that your dad, I'm sure he's grateful because this is his great wish to be with us, your family, here in the Philippines. So let's enjoy. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye.
May we request Madam Eddie here. Madam Uncle Waning is married to Auntie Emping, and they are blessed with 4 children. Namely, we have Niding, Kabat, Edwin, and Alice here. And with us today, we have likewise here Manong Edith representing the Green Kapamilya of Uncle or Kapamilya Waning. A round of applause to Kapamilya Waning. Kaya na pa mga speaker, the white all the way from the north is a Kapamilya of Kapamilya Hiling married to Carmen. And Kapamilya Hiling with so from his 7 families, we have here now the 2 gentlemen. We have Manong Bobo and Manong Aloy. We have the white Kapamilya, Kapamilya Hiling. Maraming salamat po. The third of may we have to encourage and join here our Kapamilya US. They are blessed with 6 siblings: Ferdinand, Roylan, Marites, Leo, Marian, and yours truly, Ronnie. However, only the 3 gentlemen remains here on earth. May I request Ferdinand, Leo, and yours truly, we are the Kapamilya Camino. Married to the only surviving, we had Aunt Pinita, and they were blessed with Joel, Janet, Bobong, Jesse, George, Tabe, and Noel. But having represented to that, we have here now representing the Black Kapamilya Tony. Let's give a round of applause to Jesse and Babet. However, because of their hectic schedule, I'm sure they are not physically present with us, but by spirit, they are with us. Let's give a round of applause by spirit sa kapamilya Sinayda. And of course, the red and Roberto, and they were blessed with Mario, Tessie, Rudy, Teresa, Rick, Kaya, and Buddha. Now with us here, joining us here, may we request now Manang Tessie, Teresa, Kaya. Okay, so this is our red kapamilya, the kapamilya Saling. Ernie, they were blessed with Bebot, Erdan, Dolly, Rudy, and Nani. With us here, of course, we have the two representing the blue kapamilya. And they were blessed with Ricky, Catherine, Liza, and Richard. For today, we have Catherine and Liza. I suppose that our last community members are ready set. Join us here about the white capamilya, the blue capamilya, the happy capamilya, the gray. Please join us. Millennials group with joy.
Sonong bisita. In my research, Don Jorge was born in April 17, 1870. And this year now, 2024, it's an almost 150 years now if we had to rule and to measure how long the existence of Vizcara from the time of the brain master Don Jorge. Because of this, with the sixth master head, with Don Jorge being the brain master, we give tribute by dedicating this song, Dance with Our Mother. Thank you very much.
In the silence of our heart, in the solemnity of our moment, we remember our master mothers, out from our brain master, Mother Isabel and Mother Cassie. At this point of time, may I invite you. Let's give up. In our heart.
with our father's family. Of course, we wish our father and our mother were here with us physically, but we know that they are here with us spiritually, as well as everyone. All of our families are here with us, as they are our angels. We truly feel complete now that we have met you all. It's been too long, but now we're here, and we're so thankful. And we love you all, and we feel truly blessed.
I just want to add,
Over the years, it's been 6 years since Dad has passed away. And I just want you all to know that over the years, we've heard a lot of your names, and we've seen a lot of your pictures. And we've heard stories that Dad has told about many of you, all good. And his heart was always here in the Philippines. And I just wish that we would have not waited so long to come back to see all of you. Because now I have a face with a name, I have a voice with the face to remember all of you now. And it just really means a lot to be back in our homeland, I guess. It's been difficult. His mom is white American, Dad was Filipino, and we always heard the story of how they got together. And it's just been great to be reunited with you. We appreciate all of you, and especially all the work you've done to make us feel so welcome. It's unbelievable. So we appreciate all of you. We love you. And now I want to bring up my family. My wife, Lori. Come on up. And then my son, Evan. And Jess, his girlfriend. So we hope to not make it another 60 years before we're here. So. And anytime you're in the U.S., do not hesitate to come our way. You will be very welcome. You have a place to stay. We'll feed you. Probably not as good as here. You guys knock yourself out of the park with the food. It's awesome. So, but you're welcome to the U.S. anytime.
I have been residing in Japan for more than 30 years. So I have 2 children today, and I seldom visit the Philippines. I visit the Philippines for the birthday of my mom when she was still alive, and of course our family is together. I'm very grateful, reliving all those past, reliving all those days, how we grew up. So very touching, really well appreciated. Thank you very much. And I am the second eldest of the family, and the third is Rodrigo Bataya, and the fourth is Teresa, Reynaldo, Tete, and Buddha. So we are all in age, and the way consisting of my final sisters, they are all in the present. Lisa, welcome to the Philippines.
Magandang hapon sa ating lahat. Ako si Catherine, ang bunso ni Mama Lydia. Nakamukha ko Marami nakikita yung mukha ni Mama. Ako ngayon to. Ang aming kapatid, kasama ko, si Lizel. Ano ko si Bino? Bakit ka? Ako yung bunso, si Querity, nasa Manila. Pero, syempre, busy siya. Busy doing nothing. Masasabi ko lang, syempre, happy ako, nakita ko kayong lahat, nakita ko yung mga kamag-anak ng Vizcarra and also from US, si Ate Alice, Kuya Gabi from US, and the family. Syempre, welcome, Philippines, diba? Kahit pa paano, syempre, dugong Pilipino pa rin tayo, diba? Tatagalog ako hindi ako magaling mag-English Tagalog muna tayo. Nasa Filipino sign language, intindihin niyo muna ako. Yun lang. Welcome, Vizcara from US. Thank you and God bless us every day. And more blessing and healthy every day. Kailangan lagi tayong malakas. Kasi, syempre, magaganda ang Vizcara, di ba? O, di ba? Okay. O, ikaw natin.
Hello, everyone. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Ako yung daughter ni Nena na bunso, youngest. Ano? Masaya ako at tipon-tipon tayong mga pamilya. Dahil nakilala ko ang mga pinsan ko sa Amerika. Alexa, Kabin, thank you. Punta niyo dito sa Pilipinas. Ganun lang.
Hello!
Hi!
Very good.
Hi! Hi pa! Hi pa!
I am Carlos Vizcara, but they call me Caloy. I am the youngest son of Angelino Hilingu. And my brother, Bobo, there are only two of us now. It used to be seven, we are seven in the family. But they call us now Donkey and Panchito. Because we are only two already. And we are very pleased that you, cousin Lisa and cousin David are already here. Please enjoy your stay here. Thank you very much for our plan. To all members of Vizcara, we hope that we will continue this gathering tomorrow if you want to, because we are planning to spend this gathering tomorrow, but we talk more about it a little while. Okay, thank you very much. Welcome.
Same!
Now, I introduce my family.
Nawat kita ka pala.
First, Manang Benji, wife of our eldest, Manong Manuel. Manong Benji. And Manang Sol, wife of Manong Danny. And Mang Bobo's wife, Rosie. And our children.
Selmo! Tito Selmo!
Selmo. Well, Selmo, my brother-in-law. One and only brother-in-law. Husband to many.
And of course, the eldest son of this couple, we have Shirley. My second brother, who is now in heaven because of cardiac arrest, married to Hilda. And this is Hilda.
Video active.
And with us this day is ang kanyang apo, Manuka. Okay, we call it, we have I'm sorry, I have mistaken identity. Okay, so Hilda is just up here. Yeah. The apo is here with us. Okay. My Manong Froilan and Hilda do have two kids, and this is now the apo from Pampanga. Okay. The third is actually Manang Marites, who died again of cardiac arrest. I am sorry.
it's cancer. Okay? So way back when I was still in high school. However, today we have here now the wife of his son. We have Elena, who is on the way from Pampanga. And of course, the kid of Brian and Elena, we have Andres and Emmanuel, soon to be a member of the family. On the checklist, we have the fourth member of the family, who is with us here. This is Cleo, by baptismal, but by verbal name is Bobo. So this is Cleo. Together with him is the family. The eldest, we have Princess. Together with the family, Joey, Mallet, and JD. The fifth in the family who died in diabetes so many years back, okay, is Mary Ann. Remains single. And of course, I am not the oldest, but I'm the youngest. Okay, single and still available. So I am the youngest. I am Raleigh. Okay, who is now turning 56 years old, and really in fact that I will be celebrating my retirement in 5 years' time. So please do stand by. Maybe a celebration of my retirement will be on deck in the next 5 years. So this is the Camilo Alfaro Family Club.
Narito po kayo lahat. At ito po yung karakteran. Namimiss po namin kasi nung nabubuhay pa si Chungkili, lagi po kami nagre-reunion noon. Kaya, thank you Lord at natupad na rin po ulit ang Vizcara Clan. Ito po ay, kahit hindi kami kompleto po, alam po nila, masaya po sila na alam nila na natuloy yung Vizcara Clan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Lalo po yung Vizcara ng Clan ng Ramon. Ayan po. Yan po ang pinaka-the best po, Vizcara Clan ng Ramon. Na hindi po sila nagkukulang. Tuwing mayroon po kami okasyon, tuwing po mayroon po naman na nangyayari po sa pamilya namin, andyan po sila. Inaan po nila kami. Very cooperative po sila. Very thoughtful at saka mapagmahal po sila. Yan po ay naramdaman namin po. Maraming salamat ulit at kami ay magpa-picture din po. Thank you very much.
Of our past members.
all the way from Rojas. Right. Okay, so welcome here in our event po, our Kapamilya Vistara. And of course, joining to witness us here, we have our relativity when it comes to our connections with the Blas family from Rojas. Okay, we have to announce that
You will be next. You will be next. You will be next.
Lahat kayo mga kamay? Thank you, thank you. Gracias.